Hello guys, today I just sat down like, oh, what do I need to eat that will make me remember Nigeria? So I decided on grilled tilapia fish with roast plantain, aka bonnet. This is my tilapia fish, washed and cut by the side into three and the other side. So this is my plantain that I'm going to wash before I peel off the skin. I normally wash my plantain before cutting because a lot of hands have touched it, so we need to be very careful. I'm going to be rubbing this with my fish. This is roughly blend Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, red bay pepper. So I'm just going to add my garlic, ginger, I'm using the powdered one, white pepper, curry, Maggi and salt, and granite oil. I'll just mix this together. Then I'll begin to rub my fish with it. When you rub this with your fish and it goes into the fish, it will make it have a good taste when the fish is ready. Okay, this is my fish. This is what I just did. Rub it in very well. Both sides and the inside. So this is what I did. I just cover with this. I'm going to put into the fridge for say maybe like 5 to 10 minutes for all the ingredients to really go in before I start grilling in the oven. This is my plantain. I'm just going to mix water and salt and rub on them. This to give it a good taste. That's my fish. After rubbing oil on my oven tray, so I just lay my fish there. That's it. My plantain by the side of the fish. So straight to the oven. Okay, that's my fish and my plantain in the oven. I'm just going to leave this for some time. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to use for the tilapia fish and plantain. This is roughly blend yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion. So I'm going to season with salt and Maggi, ginger, powdered garlic, white pepper and black pepper, white pepper, curry, little of it, then I'll mix together. Going to be stir frying this. Just add in my groundnut oil. pour everything in. I just poured everything into the oil. I'm going to be stir frying this. You can adjust for salt. So I'm going to leave this to stir fry. You just continue stirring so that it doesn't get burnt anyway, because I'm not adding any water. Sorry guys, I just adding some spring onions in there. So I'm going to be stir frying this. I'm not going to add any water, so I'll be very careful for it not to get burnt while our fish and plantain, which is aka bonnet, it's on the oven. That's my fish. I just turned the other side, so I'm going to be doing this. Okay. Guys, this is the result of my great tilapia fish with roast plantain, aka bonnet. That is it. This is my fish, well cooked. Tastes so good. Tastes really good. Please, today, if today is your first time of coming across my video, do not fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and feel free to leave your comment below. Like my video, share to your friends. For all my subscribers, I thank you all so much. Thank you for staying by me. And for the new ones, I appreciate you all. You all amazing people. I appreciate you all. You all are so amazing. Thank you so much. This is my great tilapia fish with roast plantain or bonnet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do not fail to hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Thank you all guys. See you in my next video. Bye.